there is a small space. Um, you can hear everything because we're near a major street. But today is a cloudy day, it's windy. I probably will have to run inside the house if it starts raining. But I wanted to be here in my space, surrounded by a few of the plants I'm growing. This is my pastime. I do gardening. I'm not that good at it, but there are things that are growing and I'm happy with them. But I wanted to take you to this small space of mine, just to develop some ideas and write ideas for the story I'm working, which is the science fiction dystopia story, and just be here a while, relax, and let the ideas flow. Hopefully, it won't rain while I'm here, and it might rain later, hopefully. And I will show you a little bit of my small garden and the things that are excitedly growing. Because usually I will show you around, I will show you the small green garden, the plants, and yeah, I'm gonna be here today just relaxing in my space, and then I'll go inside because I have to record the next episode for my podcast at the state written word. Yeah, let's do some idea development that popped in my head yesterday, and I want to work on that. So to because they're gonna be an essential part of the story. And this is my the idea notebook. This one is for inspiration and for ideas for my blog and for my newsletter. There's this one I haven't touched yet, but soon. So this is for inspiration. Eventually, it's gonna turn into something additional with the notebook that's inside it. That the middle I just showed you the middle one I just showed you. But I'm holding that on. I'm holding for that. I'm very organized, even though this doesn't look organized. So, but for me, this mess that somebody might look at it and says, this is like all over the place. I know where everything is. It's my organization and the way I try to do things and put the tabs, so I know what is the importance of that and what I wrote. And then I have a few things over here, like the tags and stuff and post-it. So when I'm on the road, I have it and I want to write something. Besides, I do it. And this is a bowl sample, just for the streets and for research purposes. Let's do this thing. up one of the characters' backstory, and I'm gonna keep on working on it, but I'm not gonna record it. Today was for that, and I'm very satisfied and excited with what I've created, what I've written, and it's giving me more ideas. So this is why I'm gonna stop, so I can concentrate on it and write and write some notes on post-its, so I could develop them in today or the coming days. But the very important thing is that I write them down in the post-its and put them in the notebook, so they're available when I look for them. Afterwards, I pass most of the important notes into my writing program. I use Scrivener. I like that one because that's all my notes. And I also have a binder that I'm starting to organize with all the ideas and the investigations I'm doing, and I will do, and I put the papers there for everything that has to do with this trilogy. This is a trilogy. Sorry. So let me give you a tour of my very small garden, which I'm starting to trying to bring it back to life, and that it looks a little bit decent and beautiful, at least for my taste. A cozy place where I could do this every week when I'm home and I don't want to be at my studio and I don't want to go out from the house, so I could come here at this chair and write a little.